Hello YouTubers, in this video I'm going to see if I can remove scratches from my paint protection film on my Ferrari 360 Modena using a heat gun versus a headlight polishing kit. Hello YouTubers, my name is Seb and you're watching Seb's Supercar. In this video, I'm going to try to remove scratches on my Ferrari 360 Modena's paint protection film. Now I'm going to test using a heat gun, like many YouTubers have said you can use, to expose the self-healing properties of the paint protection film versus headlight polisher. I'm a little nervous about using the high heat of the heat gun, so I'm going to start off with a standard blow dryer. So I know you can't see that, but I don't think the hairdryer is working. We need more heat, so I'm going to use the heat gun. So the heat gun didn't work. This paint protection film might be 10 to 15 years old. It looks like it's not self-healing. So I'm switching strategies and I'm going to use a headlight polishing kit. So this goes from progressively lighter coarse grits starting at 2,000 and goes to 4,000, and then there's a polish at the end. So we're going to try that strategy and see how it goes. I tested it on a little scratch on the side just to be sure that it was going to work. Seems to be okay. So now I'm going to work on the big scratch on the hood. Well, the headlight polisher worked. Now that we got the scratches out, I wanted to give the PPF coating as glossy a finish as it would have had from the day it was applied. So I purchased PPF Renew. It's a product from Geon. You can buy this on Amazon. It's a little pricey. It's almost $40 to $50 a little bottle like this. And we're gonna apply it to the car now. Okay, well that worked. So if you have very old paint protection film, you may not want to try the heat gun. Instead, try headlight polish. This is Seb from Seb's Supercar. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel so you can watch more of my adventures with my beautiful Ferrari 360 F1 Modena.